Zhao Xing and Zhu Li from the People's Republic of China.
The stories of these championships has been the progress of their opponents.
She's definitely not so young as you think she is, either.
That's how the Koreans got to the final. Oh, the two Chinese girls, Sun Xiaoting and Zhu Lei. And her partner.
I can honestly say, David, I'm glad I don't wear false teeth.
This is how they got to the final. Well, that was in fact how the Koreans got to the final. The Chinese girls, one big scalp, was beating Neddy Nielsen and Dota Kier, the 3-4 seeds in the first round. £4,000 to the winners, £2,500 to the runners-up. Let me quickly run through how the Chinese three.
Thank you.
Well, as Nora has already pointed out, the Chinese girls, we have a left-hander and a right-hander, which, again, as Nora says, some people believe to be the perfect combination. So the Korean girls already on court. And just to uppoint them for you, with the blue band across her shirt is Chung Myung-hee, and with the pink trim to her shirt is umpire Mike Gilks.
To serve, Chung Myung-hee, love all, play.
And it's the left-handed Zhao Xing to serve. The Chinese girls recovering from an early love 2 deficit to 2-all.
Yes.
Change of shuttle. Just a reminder.
4-8, second server. So, 4-8.
Everybody to watch. But let's be honest, as long as they win, that's all they're worried about.
When you were winning this title yourself with Jane Webster, how deeply did you go into tactics and your opponent's weaknesses before the final? Was it a case of, well, let's get our game right and not really worry too much about them, or decide how you're going to play against a specific set of opponents? At this stage in the game, 12-7, Young with the serve. No confusion, but it got over. Lovely touch from Myung. Beautiful disguise drop.
Oh.
And then she spoils it.